After analyzing data compiled for us by First Trust, we can see that regardless of party affiliation of the elected person, election years and those years following have a very good chance of being positive. Starting with Hoover's election in 1928, presidential election years have averaged a positive return 83% of the time, while only 70% of any given year since 1928 has been positive. The average return of any given year since 1928 is about 8%, while election years average positive returns of 11%. So what we know is that since 1928, election years have been 18% more likely to be positive than any given year and experience an average annual return that is 41% higher than any given year. Now, since this election year is almost history, thankfully, let's take a look at how the years immediately following presidential elections have fared with regards to performance of the S&P 500. Since 1993, the year following presidential elections has been positive 86% of the time, compared to all years which have been positive 82% of the time. The year following presidential elections since 1993 have averaged positive returns of almost 17%. So while contentious for sure, especially here in 2020, presidential election years and the year following presidential elections have, at least historically speaking, been some of the very best years to be invested.